Hello, I thought I'd just do a little bit of sharing of the partial installation of the new shoulder mechanism for Marduk. You can see I've got Judmik stud out here in all of his banged up glory. We'll probably be doing a fix video about him later. You can see some of the old legacy shoulder mechanism right there. And this shoulder mechanism is working out okay. I mean, there's some clearance issues with the forearm and the body, but I think a little spacer up in there might be able to fix that a treat. But the only real issue I'm having is because I'm using PVC, you can see this lever point bends a lot, so I'm not really getting much shoulder swingy forward motion as I would like out of this mechanism. So what I'm going to be doing is getting some bits of metal. I'm not sure if I'll be just using some metal railing for shelves or actually getting some full thick sheets to put on here to make it a lot more stable, hopefully not bend, and create a more stable movement. Now, I don't have the elbow hooked up yet, but you can see what I mean when I try to move the Waldo shoulder forward. See how much it moved? It didn't move much. When in reality it should be moving kind of like that at least. And that's because of the PVC flexing. Which is why I'm going to be getting those middle parts. Hopefully that will fix it and maybe give a more impressive punch. I mean, putting it at the fullest extent, you can see how far that can actually go out. And this is actually even with the PVC flexing a bit, so in reality, the full motion should be something like that, which I think will be pretty neat. So, I guess that's a limitation of working with PVC. You know, stuff bends, so you gotta reinforce it with metal, and it looks like some of my cardboard stuff is finally bitten the dust. And look how floppy that is. Well, I can replace it with something better. So, the system is working okay, I guess. It's a bit of an improvement, so if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to not have a floppy mech arm today. Bye-bye.